Okay, so this is a main component of my circuit. It is a MQ2 gas and smoke sensor. I ordered 2 of these from Las Vegas in United States. Since I did not found any of those sensors in Canada, because it is a non-programmable sensor that I can plug directly onto my breadboard. So how it works, it has 6 pins under it, and the 4 here in the corners conducts current, and the 2 in the middle serves for the heating of the sensor at the beginning of the working circuit. Like when you plug voltage, it will heat the sensor. Was to build a smoke detector alarm circuit using a breadboard. So I based my building from this diagram here, and I've made some modification during the building. So how it works, here you have a sensor, the MQ2 gas and smoke sensor, that has 3 inputs and 3 outputs. That is connected to a potentiometer, and this is for to vary the sensitivity of the sensor. And here you have a green LED that will light up when the power is on, and it will indicate if the circuit works. Then all of that is connected here to an amplifier that has 8 legs. And then you have a capacitor here, a resistance, and here finally you have a red LED that will light up when gas or smoke are detected. So when the sensor detects gas or smoke, this red LED is supposed to be turned on. So the gas sensor here can detect either smoke or either gas like hydrogen, methane, propane, alcohol, butane, or other industrial combustible gases. And here, all the circuit works with 3 1.5 volts batteries. So in total you have a 4.5 volt to make the circuit work. Okay, so when I connect the 4.5 volt here, you see the green LED has been turned on. So it indicates that the power is on and the circuit works. And you see that the red LED is not light up because there is no smoke or gas detected. We have to wait like from 30 to 1 minute to let the sensor heat up a bit so that it could be ready to detect gas or smoke. So here you can see here with the potentiometer, if you vary here at a certain point, you see that the red light lights up. So you just need to adjust it just right before it so that the red light is turned off. So then the circuit is ready to detect smoke. So I have a lighter here with butane gas, and I will just discharge it on the sensor. But as you see here, the circuit is not working as expected. Like it could be a problem with the sensor or something else, but the red LED does not light up. Okay, so here I will try with the premium butane fuel. I will put it in a Erlenmeyer with a cap, and with the little hole, and I will just all discharge that whole thing on the sensor to see if it works. So, okay. So I will now discharge all the butane on my sensor to see what it does. But you see the red LED does not light up either, so. So now I will now try with a stick of incense that will produce smoke, and we'll see if it works with the sensor. Here, if you tilt. Yeah, and it does not work either, so.